Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another delicious, healthy episode. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. My name is Liv, and I make tons of healthy recipe and wellness videos on this channel full of great stuff for you. So, to make this super easy paleo bread, I'm starting off with almond flour. Almond flour is great. It's high in vitamin E, fats, and fiber, which help keep you full and also help to shut off the hunger hormones, so you're not getting those carb cravings. Some tapioca starch, which is great for digestion, as well as some Himalayan salt, which is my staple salt that you guys know I love. It's really great at balancing your pH and provides so many essential minerals for you. Adding in some baking soda, which is just going to help the leavening of the bread and make it basically like bread. So you stir that together. Then I'm adding in some ground flax. Flax is great for your hormones, and it's great for adding fiber to recipes. Now, fiber helps keep you full, and fiber also regulates your blood sugar. That means you're not going to get as many carb cravings or as many sugar cravings, and you're not going to get hangry. To make the wet part of the ingredients, I'm using 4 eggs. I prefer to get free-run eggs. I haven't tried this with flax eggs, so I just use these normal eggs. Eggs are rich in choline. You want to eat the yolk because that's where all the great stuff is in it for you. All the amino acids and everything like that. And then the whites add the protein. Again, this bread is high fiber, it's high protein, it's really going to keep you full, and it's the answer to your toast dreams of 2019, basically. I'm adding in some coconut oil. Coconut oil, also great at blood sugar. As you guys can see, there is a trend in this video. I'm adding in some apple cider vinegar, which this with the baking soda really helps the bread develop. So you can't skip this step. So you make sure you get apple cider vinegar because you definitely don't want to leave it out. Otherwise, it may not rise the same. Adding in a bit of almond milk. You can use cashew milk, hemp milk, any kind of plant-based milk that you like. And then you just whisk it all together. You're going to add the wet to the dry and then just fold it until it's combined. So you don't want to overmix. Fold it just until everything's combined, and then I'm putting it into a greased loaf pan. I'm using a glass one, which tends to retain heat a bit better than metal ones. So you're going to cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once the toothpick comes out clean, leave it to rest for about 15 minutes before you slice it. As you guys can see, I'm slicing it here. It looks just like bread. This is great for avocado toast, for nut butter, for a side on like a salad or a side with soup. Perfect for the winter time too. And it's freezer friendly. So I like to slice up the whole thing and then keep it in the freezer, and I pop a slice out when I want. If you're gonna eat the whole thing, it'll keep for about 5 days in the fridge, but I like keeping it in the freezer just in case, and then I pop it in the toaster and it's delicious. It's super easy to make as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this first recipe of 2019. I'm so excited for what I have in store for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for lots more. And I want to know what you did over the holidays. So if you got up to anything fun, let me know in the comments. I did a lot of relaxing, I'm not gonna lie, but it was really nice.